Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick 12-foot drop test on the Tuner 2 on what is a very hard concrete floor but covered with carpet to see if this tough little Tuner Bluetooth speaker can take the hit and continue to work. A quick test to make sure it's working before we start, and it is. Let's do it. 3, 2, oops. Now that's making quite a thud guys, as this is quite a heavy little speaker hitting a very hard floor with a very short pile carpet, so it's only really protecting it from scratches, not the impact. Well, it doesn't look like much damage so far, only a bit of paint where it hit the wall. Okay, let's go again. 3, 2, oops. Oh my days, that is making a fairly loud thud. Is there going to be any damage? Let's see. Oh, we have our first dent. Got our first dent, guys. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, the drops are starting to tell. It's hard floor, like I said. You know, let's see how it goes. Before we go again, let's give it a quick check. See if it's working. Well, it's pairing and it's connected. We are connected. I've just realised the display has been damaged. As you can see, it's pixelated. As you saw, it's had 2 very heavy hits from those 2 drops. Very hard floor this, quite a weighty speaker. Are we going to get any music? Oh, we have power. We have ignition. It is working. I'm surprised and I'm impressed. Wow, that's great. Let's go again, come on. No countdown. Oh my days, I tell you, this is tough. Oh my days, that is hitting hard. This Tuner 2 is one tough cookie. Right, let's check out the damage. Let's have a little look. I've got to say, I'm really surprised how hard this is hitting the floor. I mean, it's falling and hitting the ground like a brick. And there's no real damage at all, is there? No cracks or obvious structural damage. I'm impressed. This is really tough. Right, I'm going to drop it once more on the front to see if this hard plastic display cover can take a hit. So I'll be dropping it face down like this. Back up we go, and yes, my legs are starting to ache. Okay, 4th and final drop guys, and hoping to land it on that display cover to see if it can take a hit. 3, 2, 1. Let's see that again. Well, it doesn't look like we hit the display cover guys, but this very tough little Bluetooth speaker has taken 4 heavy hits now, and the big question is, does it actually still work? Let's take a look. I'm amazed that this still turns on at all, to be honest. I mean, it's had 4 very heavy hits on a very hard concrete floor, which I know has carpet on, but it's a very short pile carpet, so it absorbs very little shock. Hardly any visible damage at all guys, other than that dent in the speaker grille cover, a bit of paint from the wall and a few scuffs and marks. So yeah, really hard outer casing this JBL Tuner 2 has for sure. The big question now is, does it actually play music? Let's see. Well, what can I say guys, other than I am really impressed with this Tuner 2 after taking those hard hits. It's still playing, can you believe it? With the only obvious damage being a dent and a damaged and pixelated display. Well, there you go, the JBL Tuner 2 really is one of the toughest little Bluetooth speakers around. If you want to see me put it through its paces some more with some really tough durability tests, then watch one of these videos right here.